Hello and welcome to another episode of Cooking Tips and Tricks. I'm your host Liz, and today we're going to be talking about the different types of onions and how to prep them. We have the red spring onion, the beautiful shallot, a white onion, and a yellow onion. Now, I'm a fan of cooking with all types of onions, and if anything looks a little raggedy at the end, I would just cut that off. But this onion is something that you can use the entire onion. So I like to do thin coins, but you can dice it up however you would like. Next, prepping the shallot. Shallot is one of these really delicious things that I feel like are underutilized. And you don't even have to use your knife. You can just use your fingers to peel off the skin. And as you can see, that they're usually come in two sections. So if it's helpful, the beginning of the top of the onion, you can use your knife, cut that off. You can do it many ways, and I like to say that nature has a way of telling us how to prep their veg. See the nice lines? You can run your knife, cut them that way for a fine dice, following the lines on the shallot. Watching your digits, making sure that your vegetable is stable, and then doing a fine mince. Like so. And we'll talk about two things. One, what's the onion notorious for? Making us cry. Run over cold water. Two, you can stick it in the freezer for a couple minutes. My biggest suggestion when coming to prep with an onion is that we all have busy lives and stressful, so you just go into your kitchen with an onion and a sharp knife, you crank up AC/DC, and you have yourself a good cry. So we'll start there. Now we have our red spring onion, our shallots, and our yellow onion. You can use whatever onion you'd like for this simple stir fry. We're going to do onions. I like to use cremini mushrooms. I think they're more flavorful. We're going to use summer squash, or you can use zucchini. And then a quick tip for a quick stir fry, frozen veg, whichever you like. Usually it's carrot, corn, green bean. You don't even have to thaw it out. You can throw it straight from your freezer right into your saute pan. And you can serve it two ways, however you want. You want to put a little bit of olive oil or oil of your choice in a large saute pan and make sure it's at high heat. Then you're going to carefully add your onions. We're also going to add our shallots and our red spring onion at the same time. Okay, and you want to saute that for about 5 minutes. If you really just want to throw everything in, so like what I'm doing with the squash and your frozen veg, and then saute it that way, you can do that as well. And typically I just add salt and some black pepper to this just for a little bit of seasoning, because that's just the way I like to do things. But you can do it however you want. All right, so there you have your quick veggie stir fry.
Thanks for watching Cooking Tips and Tricks. We can't wait to see what you make this week. Please tag us on Instagram and all your posts, and we'll see you next time.